give you a little bit of a background as far as with what I think is important and what some of the initiatives are that I'd like to point out and try to work on. First of all, one of the things that I think is very important that is also the school board currently has been working on, and that is the technology. So many of our students and you that have grandchildren out there, you that have children know that they probably know how to work most of the technology equipment that you have better than you do. Yeah. And so I think it's very important that the school board, that they went ahead and set the initiative for the technology, not only to help educate the teachers, because that's what they put this team together for, so that there's a team of technology teachers that will be going around, and they'll be assigned to different schools, and they will be working with the teachers within those schools to get those teachers all up to par on technology. And the importance with this is that this is where our students are. They're in a technology world. And we have got to provide them the means that are going to keep them engaged, that are going to help them to keep interested, and being able to train our teachers so that they know how to utilize some of the great technology that is out there to better enhance their lessons, to better enhance the experience that the youth will be facing in the schools, and also, I think, to prepare them for the universities and colleges that they will be going to. I'm a recent graduate from UAF, and UAF, when I was there, this was about 4 years ago, they had just gone through their technology and gotten all new products, and every single classroom was upgraded so that everybody, all the teachers could go ahead and have immediate video feed. And you would not believe how many of the teachers were so frustrated because they had all this wonderful equipment and they didn't know how to use it. And so I think it's great that we're one step ahead of that with the school board in being able to do that, and I would really like to help that go forward. Another thing that I'm very passionate about is the dropout rate. I do feel that we have got to close that gap here in the interior, and the students that I've talked to who have dropped out of school, their basic answer has been, well, I don't plan on going on to college, and I can get a really good job without having to finish my high school diploma. And so what can we do to engage them to stay in? Partner with our businesses, partner with our local community to offer internships to these students to help them. Once again, there is a benefit by staying in school because now you are going to receive this extra training. The last thing is parent involvement. We as parents have got to be more involved with our students. The school board just came out with Power School Premier. How many of you have children in the schools right now? How many of you have gone out and checked out Power School Premier yet? Okay, I get on that every day. I can see if my child is attending class or if he's late for class. And then I can address that day. And how wonderful this is, because we can see real time exactly whether they're handing in their assignments like they say they should. It's a wonderful tool, especially for parents where most of our families now are in dual working families, where we have moms and dads that are both working. So it's a wonderful tool that's been provided. I really think that the school board is on the right direction, and I would be more than happy to help be part of that team and take us into the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Neva Baker, and I have been a resident of North Pole for about 16 years. And my husband and I first came up here with the military, and he's now with the Guard. We have 5 children, 4 of whom have graduated from schools here in the area, and I have one who just entered as a freshman into high school, so it's a whole new ball game. I also have 2 grandchildren, and one was just born last week, so brand new baby on the block. And then my biggest reason for running for school board, especially right now, is that once again, having children in school, having been through the school systems and seeing what there is there, I've always been a very, very involved parent, and I feel that that is extremely important that we continue as parents to be involved. I'm pleased to have children that have gone through the public schools here. I've been very pleased with the public schools, and I think that there is more that we can do. I look at being a part of the school board as being a team member. And so we have team members, individual players who have now left the team, and those team members need to be replaced. It's not that, you know, we're coming in to completely wipe the slate clean and say, here's what I want to do. We are basically replacing a member, and that's how I want to see the things that I do. I'm very pleased with the way that the school board has, with the objectives that they've set for 2010. I want to continue to see that we meet those goals and objectives. They're very important to me, and that's another reason that I'd like to serve. So I appreciate your support. Thank you.